Hey, this is 525 guy with his zippo video on how to refill a zippo. As you can see right now that I'm all out of taking fuel. Well, let's say it's the last of it. Watch. See, it's all out. Can't light again. So, hot. Okay, first you gotta do, take out the insert from your thing. Okay. Next, you have your zippo insert. Open it up. Okay. Open it up. Try to lift the thing out. You don't have to take out the screws or anything. Just lift up the felt pad. Open it. Get your case. Here's your child safety lock. Get in there. Let me just do it. Okay. Here comes the tricky part. Just lift up the tab. Get back in there, Flint. Okay. Lift up the felt pad. Hold it down for 5 seconds. And stop. Let it rest there. And let me go clean up my mess. Okay. Part 2. Okay. Lift it back up. Again. And maybe pour it in for another 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Let it rest for another 5 seconds. Or you can tell by pushing up, you can feel the felt pad sucking it up. Shake it up just a tad bit. Push it down. Bring the cam down. You can see my flicker there. This is the black ice. It's me here. Hi. And you should close it. Shake it over for a few minutes. Close the cap, of course. Let's say that for 5 seconds. And voila. Your zippo works. Well, I hope you liked the video. 525 guy, right now.